For the octopus, removing a cork from a bottle to catch a crab is child's play. It's almost exactly like lifting a rock to find a delicious morsel underneath. It does it by instinct. But what about opening a screw-top jar? There are no screw-top jars in nature, nor any instinctual response to help in opening it.
Look, he's exploring the jar. He's touching it.
The little octopus's inquisitive arms are almost as sensitive and agile as human hands as they explore the novelty of the screw-top jar. Here, it seems the octopus is not using instinct, but cognitive reasoning to solve this problem, thinking if the crab got in there, there must be a way to get it out. Pepiño thinks through the problem until he succeeds. The hardest part is to believe that this animal is simply a mollusk. As far as his family tree goes, this young octopus is more closely related to an oyster or a snail than to any other species of animal. As a reward for all his hard work, Pepiño injects poison to paralyze the crab, and then it's lunchtime.